so privileged this morning dahil live nating makakasama ang nag-iisang Asia's romantic balladeer, Mr. Christian Bautista. Welcome po dito sa GMA Jensen Station at sa At Home with the GMA Regional TV.
Hello, good morning, maayong buntag. Great to be here. Salamat po, salamat.
Christian, you're here sa Jensen for Miss General Santos 2022.
Oo, sasali ka, di ba?
OMG! Hindi ako pwede doon. Hindi pasado yung height natin. How does it feel ba na you are performing again sa iba't ibang region?
It feels great. Yun nga yung pinag-usapan namin kanina lang with everyone else na bumabalik na ulit yung mga regional shows at nakakakanta ako ulit sa live audience at nakaka-meet ka ulit ng mga different people at nakakakain ka ulit ng masarap na pagkain.
Yun talaga yung the best part, food.
Yes.
I couldn't agree more, Christian. Eto, you have been an inspiration na nga rin sa karamihan. What message or tips can you share sa mga aspiring singer who look up to you?
Okay, sa mga gusto maging singer, sumali kayo sa The Clash. Malapit na. Pero also, it's always a challenge. It's an adventure. Enjoy the highs, work hard on the lows. At talagang patuloy lang. Tuloy ka lang. Tuloy lang ng tuloy.
Now, let's talk about how you also made sure to have work-life balance. How do you make sure na may quality time ka with your wife, Kat?
Kailangan isi-schedule nyo talaga. Pag mayroong mga open days na walang work, i-block nyo na yon. Kailangan din give time for her din, na parang sometimes she might want to do her own thing and then I might need to do my own thing. Pero ang sarap pag nababalance mo talaga in a calendar kapag nasa-schedule mo talaga na meron kang time for work and time for relaxation.
Being the Asia's romantic balladeer, ano ba ang isang hinahanap mo sa isang singer?
Para lang madali siguro, someone na who learns fast. Na pag binigyan siya ng instruction, mabilis agad niya makukuha yung note, yung blocking, yung ano. Kasi pagdating sa real world na show business, ganun din eh. Pagdating mo sa All Out Sundays stage, tuturuan ka lang ng konti and then makuha mo na agad. So someone who learns fast.
Ayan, we will have a short game before we end our chikahan this morning. May pahingang malalim. Eto.
May prize to
You just need to describe a certain person through a song, kahit few lines lang.
Whew.
Are you ready?
Yes, are the royalties ready? Okay.
Eto, let's start with Miss Ai de las Alas.
Oh, you put the blue back in the sky, you put the rainbow in my eyes, a silver lining in my prayers, and now there's color everywhere. Kasi lagi siya makulay.
True. Laging nagpapatawa.
Yeah.
Eto, Julian San Jose.
Julian, baby, let's cruise away from here. Kasi yun yung duet namin.
Eto, of course, special to sa'yo, Miss Kat Ramnani.
Syempre. Cause there's something in the way you look at me. It's as if my heart knows you're the missing piece. Love you.
Araw-araw mo rin ba siya kinakantahan?
Pagising na siya.
Ang hirap naman kapag tulog, gising ka, kakanta ako. Finally, message mo sa ating mga kapuso all over Mindanao.
Mga kapuso all over Mindanao, tuloy ka lang. Kahit ano man po ang ating pinagdadaanan, tayo'y humingi ng lakas, humingi ng tulong at magpatuloy po lagi. Sa bawat pagkakataon ay maging blessing po tayo sa ibang tao.
Anything you want to add? May gusto ka bang mga pasalamatan?
Yes, just add one egg. And also, I have a concert January 28. It's gonna be in Manila, sa Makati, at the Samsung Performing Arts Theater. It's called The Way You Look at Me. I'm celebrating my 20th year in the industry. Thank you.
Thank you so much for your time this morning, Christian.
Thank you.
Alam mo ba, mas na-inlove kami lalo dito ngayon. Napakaganda ng boses mo!
Thank you.
Ayan, thank you so much mga kapuso!
Thank you.